friends, welcome back to our new video. So this is day 3 of Good Morning C series, and in today's video we are going to learn about union in C. What does a union do and how we can declare it and other stuff. And we are also going to see what is the basic difference between a union and a structure in C. They both are two different things, so don't mistake a union for a structure and structure for a union. The two are entirely different, although they have shared some kind of similarities. So what a union does is that it can store multiple types of data uh, in a block or in a group. So it is similar to what we have studied structure in C, but let's find out the difference. I'm sharing my screen here. I think my machine let, let us wait for a couple of minutes till my machine gets boot up. You can skip this 3-4 seconds. I think it will be a matter of 10 seconds to be very precise. Yes, so let me log in. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please just subscribe and hit that subscribe button, turn on notification to get notified every time I post a new video. So okay, let's just wait for another 10 seconds. I guess you can double tap and skip all this part to know about it. Yeah, so let me open up my terminal, redirect to my workspace. Now I'm creating here a file. Let's go with, okay, let me remove this file. Now I'm creating a file. So how we are going to declare a union? I'm just writing the code here. You just follow up. Okay, so first the header files. So here is my main function, and now I am declaring my union here over the main function. Okay, so union is the keyword, then the name of the union. Suppose in my case it is student. Okay, and then followed by a parenthesis, and then uh, before giving semicolon you have to mention the name of the like you have to give the variable name. Suppose in my case it is s1. So let's go with the properties that the union will have, or the data members that the union will consist. Let's go with integer id. Okay, then integer class, then let's go with float. Okay, so in this main function I have to initialize or define the values of these properties. Suppose s1 dot id is equals to, let's go with 3. Okay, then that's the way of doing it, I think. Yes, and then s1 dot class, to, let's go with 4 is the fourth standard, and then let's go with s1 dot marks. Okay, so this is integer, and this is float. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to see if my data members are visible or not. I'm going to simply print all these things. Id, mm, id, then class, and then marks. So change these things, uh, class and then marks. So it will display all the necessary details here. I guess so. This is the union There is a problem, I think. We had float, so that should work. Yes, it is working. Yes, as you can see, let me change this thing, guys. Otherwise, it is very congested. Thing. Let's go with this thing, and now again. Yeah, you can see here we have ID, then class, then marks. But this union stores multiple data members inside it. But the same functionality is offered in structure as well. But what is the difference? Basic difference. The basic difference is that a union can hold the size of the union will be the highest length of the data type that has been declared inside it. So suppose let's go with, we have here integer and float. So the highest data type, the largest data type here is float. So the size of the union will be equals to the size of the the largest data type. Okay, but in structure what happens is that you add up the size, like in integer you have 4, so 4 4 4 8. Okay, so that's the thing. Okay, so let's just prove it to you guys. Type here printf, then size, and then let's go with s1. Okay, the problem, uh, um, I think there is a problem, guys. Wait, vi, I think to the student, I guess to the problem, guys. It's supposed to work. But I'm going to as a human student, so okay. Here is the problem, guys. So I forgot to write the size of, so silly. Sometimes I make so much of silly mistake. What is the problem? Long unsigned integer. This error was given. This is a warning, so you can ignore warning. How do I ignore warning? This is a warning. So you can see, if we ignore the warning was pretty stupid here. So it was a warning of that unsigned integer. But if you can see, the size of the union is 4. Okay, because the largest data type it can hold is 4. Okay, it has float, so 4 bytes. Okay, you can see here this is the difference between the union and the what union and what do you say, structure. So I'm going to end my video here, and if you have any queries, just leave your comment in the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel and please like this video. So this is me signing off. Bye.